Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and for the third cookies from one recipe for various cookies installment. Today it is what we call in Indonesia, we call it as Kastengel, which is cheese stick cookies. It is very melt in the mouth cookies and very tasty. Of course, cheese tasty. Some people would use expensive cheese like from Holland, which is Edam. Some people would use Parmesan. Some people would use any other cheese they prefer, except blue cheese. Of course, I've never seen anyone use blue cheese to make these cookies. The thing is, in Indonesia, the cheese, they don't really need to be refrigerated, and when you top the cookies with the grated cheese, they don't really melt. So once the cookie is done, cooled and ready to devour, they are really crunchy on the top. It's really nice, which I haven't found any cheese that could give the same texture here in Canada. So whenever I make this cookie, the top is like melted cheese, and it's not really crunchy like in Indonesia, but still it's delicious. So again, it is using one same basic recipes that I baked 4 various cookies, and this is cookies number 3, which is Kastengel, Indonesian cheese stick cookies. I'll see you soon again. Bye. So we're gonna cream our butter first. This is about 1 pound, 454 gram of unsalted butter, room temperature. So we're just gonna cream it first. Then add in of icing sugar. Then add in 3 yolks, but 1 yolk at a time. So every 1 yolk, you beat it or cream it. Also add in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, Mexican vanilla blend. That's 1 teaspoon. This is optional, but I like it with my cookies. Once butter is mixed together and creamed, add in all-purpose flour a little at a time. And just fold it until they are completely combined and nice dough is formed. Once dough is formed, it's really nice and soft. Once dough is ready, mix in with a 1/4 cup of extra old Irish cheddar cheese. I'm just gonna move a little bit for topping, but we can mix in the rest. Just knead a little until completely combined. Then roll dough in between 2 parchment paper. Then we're gonna slice it into fingers. If you have the cookie cutter, by all means use it. Otherwise, just use something longer. I'm using a wooden ruler, but you can use pizza cutter or just knife. This cookie is done. Brush the top with egg yolk, sprinkle with sea salt and cheese. Now we're gonna bake it at 350 for 10 minutes.